Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome back to Lotto Guide. If today is your first time coming across this page, don't forget to like and also subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so I'm back again with another prediction on lunchtime and tea time. You guys know how it goes as usual, right? Okay, so as you can see on the screen right now, these are my results for yesterday. Okay, I vow that if 27 or 11 did not drop yesterday, I would have stopped playing UK49 totally, completely. I would have focused on Ghost Lotto, like seriously, right? But they couldn't prove me wrong. So here we have 27, right? Okay, all right. So today, let's check some of the numbers. For some of you who don't understand what lottery is all about, let me show you what lottery is all about, right? Okay, so this is it here. Let's pick some of the numbers that I think that will be showing up today, not what you think. First of all, before you go with what I think, you go with what you think, because that will justify you when you see the results. If you fail or if you win, okay, it will justify at least you do what you want to do, not what another person wants you to do, right? Okay. All right, so that is it here. So let me show you guys what I think that will happen today. Look at this number here. Okay, this is what lottery is all about. For some of you who don't know, look at here, look at here, look at here, look at here. 20 is dropping 5 times in a row, right? This is what lottery is all about. Now, what this lottery system is doing is using people's mind, right? This is 20 dropping consistently. They know for sure that even if they do this 10 times, millions of people will fail because it's common sense, right? It's common sense. Nobody want to go with the number that has dropped already. Okay? Nobody want to go, like now, 15 drop. You don't want to go with 15 again because you believe that that number has dropped. So you are looking for the next number to drop. And this is where they play with your mind. Okay, so this is where you see, look at this, 20 dropping consistently. So if you are having 25 and your 25 has not dropped, know that because of 20 has been consistently dropping, that is why your 25 refused to drop. So it's very simple, guys. So today, let's look for 20, 25, right? Let's look for 25. And at the same time, this number that do this can also drop as bonus, right? Get that in your mind. So I'm looking at 25 to drop today. Okay, I'm looking at 25 to drop today. Okay, so 25, right? So I'm looking at 25 to drop today. So write 25 done. Okay, write 25 done. In another way, this same number can also be plussed. Okay, if we plus this number, which will also give us 40. Okay, it will also give us 40, right? So write 40 down. Okay, write 40 down, because if we try to remove the 0 from the back of 20, we already have 2 here, unless they want to repeat that again. So this is it here, right here. You can see it. Okay, you can see it. This is my analysis for this number, right? So that is it. But if 20 repeats again or come as bonus, you must know that that happened, or they don't just want to go this area. Okay, so that is it. That's my analysis there. So write the numbers 25 and 40, right? So that is the number that I think that have opportunity to drop today, either lunchtime or tea time. Okay, all right. So the next number we should be looking at is this number. Okay, before we move further, before we go more further, let me mention these numbers. This 11, this is 48, right? These two numbers is old numbers. These two numbers never drop in the last 100 draws, according to the statistics, right? These two numbers never drop in the last 100 draws. This is the numbers here, 48 and also 11. Okay, So I'm just mentioning it here because in number calculation, there is statistics. Okay, when you are calculating number, when the number is supposed to appear and like, okay, so this is it here. This is old number left to drop. Maybe this number may help someone today. Okay, so it's either you go by single or you can go with two of them. Maybe they will just drop two of them at the same time. And bear it in mind, these two numbers is also on the code board. That is why they never drop for that long, right? But it's overdue now. These numbers is have the possibility to drop either lunchtime or tea time. I just want to mention that, okay? That is what I think and not what UK think. UK will always do what they want to do. Okay, UK-49 will always do what they want to do. They drop the number they want to drop, right? So that is it. So you can just decide that, okay, let me just focus on those two numbers and just go with them, right? Okay. Okay, guys. So that is by the way. All right. So another number we should look at for is look at this number here, 35. We also have another. Who is that 35 again? You can see here we also have 35 here, right? Okay, so from this 35 right now, you can see 35 right now. Even if they plus this number, it would be 70. We don't have up to 70 in UK-49. Okay, right now we already have 7, so we're going to remove that 0. So we already have 7 there, so we should look for what this number will bring. Okay, so according to my own strategy and the statistics, we're supposed to be looking at 16 directly. Okay, and this number will also push out 19. Okay, so here is what this number I'm expecting from this number. But if this number repeats itself again, you must know that they have stopped the 16 you have and stopped 19 because they repeated this number. It's very simple, guys. It's very, very simple. You must know the numbers that stop what you have as banker or as your pairs, right? So it's very simple. Okay. So we are expecting this number to bring out this. But if the number decide to bring back itself again, you know what that means, right? So that is it. Very simple. All right. Lottery is very simple. If you understand what I know about lottery, it's like you will know when to even play and when not to. Me, I know when to bet and when not to. Okay. So that is it. All right. So that one is gone. So write 16 and 19. Okay. Write 16 and 19. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Don't forget to like this video. Okay. All right. So the next number we should be looking at, okay, will be this number. Look at this number here. Okay. Okay. So this number right now, you see, this is 5, right? These two numbers will equally bring 19, right? You can see that 19 is still pushing, right? So that number will equally bring 19. All right. So now if that number turn, if 41 turn, okay, if 41 turn, it will equally bring 14. Right. So we have 19 before, so just add 14. Right. We also have 14 here, which we're supposed to be looking at for 34, but I don't know what this number is going to do. Maybe. All right. So let's just write maybe the turning of this number and see how it goes, right? Okay. Let's write the turning of this number and see how it goes, right? So I'm just going to pick that 14 there and just like add it there. But because of 14, where is that 14? I think 14 dropped some time ago. All right. 14 dropped some time ago. So I think that number has gone down right now. So let's just try it out and see how it goes. So just add 14 to the list. right? Add 14 to the list. Okay, add 14 to the list, guys. Okay, so another number we should be looking at. You see this number. Okay, you see this number. We have 1 here. We also have 1 here. Now, this repeating of numbers is killing a lot of pointers, right? Okay, so look at it here. So that is it. Now we have this number here. Where is that? 36. We have 36 here. All right, we have 36 here, guys. Okay, so currently right now we should be looking at 37. We should be looking at 37. Okay, so write 37 down. Write 37 down, guys. Okay. All right, guys. So here we have this number 49 going down. We have 7 going down. We have 13. Okay, we have 13, right? So right now we should be expecting 43. Okay, we should be expecting 43. All right, so write 43 down. Okay, what I do here is that I show you guys what I think. So from what I think, you can actually make the rightful decision, because I believe that when you are playing the lottery or you are venturing in a business of lottery, you must have no 1 or 2. Okay, most of you can also predict. So that is it. So I'm thinking of 43. Okay, I'm thinking of 43. As you guys can see, this is what I think that will bring 43. But if any of this number you see right now repeated, then they will stop that 43. It's very simple. You must know when they stop you. Okay, so that is it. That is it. Okay. So the next number we should be looking at will be this number, which we should be looking at for we have this number. We have this number. We have 6 here. Okay, we have 6. We have 33. You can see it there, 633. So we should be looking at for 42. Okay, we should be looking at for 42. Right, let's look at for 42, guys. Okay, so the next number we should be looking at for will be 12. All right, we should be expecting 12 to make a return. Okay, and the why 12 is because you see this number here. You see this number here. Okay, 12. Okay, we should be looking for 12, 1224 from that number. Okay, 1224 from that number. Okay, so write 12. Write 12 down. Okay, write 12 down. Write 12 down, guys. Write 12 down. Okay, so so that is it. So that is it, guys. So write 12 down. Okay, so why I say 12 is because I think I showed you guys about 21. All right, I showed you guys about 21 dropping. Okay, the turning of that number will be 12. Okay, and we also have 42 and 32 there. So 32 will also bring 12. 32 will also bring 12 and 48. But 48 is still on the code board, just like the way I explained to you guys. So we should be expecting 12. Okay, we should be expecting 12 because 12 is not on the code board. So we should expect 12. But if anything happen and 32 decide to take place again, you know that 32 will also stop these numbers, right? So that is it. That is how it goes. Okay. All right. So the next number we should be looking at will be 9. we should be looking at for 9. And why 9 is because we'll have this number here, 17. Okay, we'll have 17 and we'll have 45 here. Okay, so we should be expecting 9. Okay, we should be expecting 9. Okay, all right, guys. So that is my prediction for today. All right, don't forget to like and also subscribe to the channel. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, it will cost you only 200 rand every month. 200 rand per month. Okay, 200 rand per month. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, there I will get the number and I will pay the number. I will give you what I think that is more highly possible chance to drop. Okay, so from these numbers I give you right now, I also know the possible bankers that can also pop up. Do you understand that? I also know the more possible numbers that can also pop up from here. Okay, but if I come right here and give it to you, even if you win, most of you will not even come here to say thank you. I've been doing that for years. They will not come here to say thank you. They will not do anything. They all right, so instead of me wasting that energy, I pop up the numbers like this. I believe that most of you will know how to, if you can pay the whole numbers, or you can decide to be picking it, all right, yourself. Okay, so that is it for this video, and here will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I will also see you in the next one.